Dear students, today we will discuss about binary tree traversal technique. What is traversal? Traversal means we have to visit all the nodes at least once. That is, meaning is traversal. So we have to visit all the nodes in a binary tree with using different techniques like pre-order traversal, in-order traversal, post-order traversal. So before starting this presentation, we must know course outcome of this presentation. The students will be able to apply traversal methods in binary tree. What is binary tree? We know that binary tree is a data structure. It is a nonlinear data structure and it is defined as a collection of elements called nodes. Here, one node acting as a root node, that is topmost node of the tree, that will be acting as a root node. The remaining nodes are acting as a leaf nodes or parent nodes. Here we are following condition for making the binary tree. Each node have at most 2 children. If each and every node have more than 2 children, means that is not a binary tree. Binary tree means the node have at most 2 children. That means no children or 1 children or at most 2 children. If each and every node have 0 or 1 or 2 children, this tree is called like binary tree. So now we will discuss about traversal techniques. Traversal means we have to visit all the nodes at least once. So now we will consider the small tree, like A is the root node, B and C are leaf nodes. So here 3 techniques we have to follow: pre-order techniques, in-order techniques, post-order techniques. What is pre-order techniques? Pre-order technique means first we have to visit the root node, then left child, then right child. Okay, so example, A is the root node, B is the left child, C is the right child. If we are applying the pre-order technique, we have to visit first root node A, then left side B, then right side C. This is pre-order technique. What is in-order technique? The name itself is showing in order. In means in between left and right. The root will be in between left and right. So first we have to visit the left node, then root node, finally we visit the right node. So if we are visiting in this order is called like in order traversal technique. So with this diagram, first we will start with the left B, then root node A, then right child C. What's the traversal order? B, A, C. If we are visiting this order, this is called like in order traversal. What is post order traversal? Post already left, right. We are visiting first left and right. Then finally we are going to root. Root will be in the post operations of left and right. So that is called like post order traversal. First we have to visit left node, that is B, then right node, that is C, then finally we are visiting root node, that is A. So here we are visiting all the nodes at least once using different techniques. So now we will discuss one by one techniques with algorithm. So we can traverse a node in a tree using in different ways, that is in order, pre-order, post-order techniques. What is pre-order traversal techniques? So already I told, first pre means before left and right we have to visit the root node. Okay, so pre-order traversal is also called depth first traversal. It will go to depth first, will comes to top because it is first visit root, then it will go to left and right. Okay. This is simple algorithm for doing the operation of traversal using pre-order algorithm. First, we have to check while tree not equal to null. If tree equal to null means the tree is empty. If it is not null, there is some nodes are there. So first write tree data. So we will take as the root node as a data. Then we will do the operation with left side. Tree left. Go to left side child. Then left side is over. Then only we will go to right side. Clear? First we have to visit the root node. Then we will go to left side. Then left side is over. Then we will go to right side. This is the procedure we have to follow for all the nodes till tree not equal to null. So example, here we will consider this diagram, how we can perform pre-order traversal. So what is the pre-order traversal techniques? So here we have to consider this diagram, this binary tree for pre-order traversal. First we have to visit the root A. Okay. So once root A we are visited, then we will go to left side. What's the left? B is there. So now once we are visited the B, B have another left and right child. Okay. So now B is root. So then we will go to left side again, D. So once we are visiting the D, D also acting as a root because it's have two child. So once we will go to left G, G is the leftmost child of this tree. Okay. So once we are visited the G, the left side is over, then we will go to right side. So which is the root tree, root node, that is D. So leftmost element G, G is over. The root is D, we are visited, then left side visited, then we are going to right side. So right side, which is there. So here we are visited D, D have the left child, that is we are visited already, then we are going to right side. Now H is there. So H is right side. So now H is the root node. So there is no left child, but right child is there. After root, L will be there. So this diagram we have to consider to traverse from root node to left child. So this tree, what we are did here, pre-order traversal. First we are visited A, then we will go to B node. Okay, first we are visited root node, root is over, then we are going to visit B node. So B is left side node. So after left, we will go to right side. But first, once we are visited the B, then we have to check this is root node or leaf node. This is the parent node of other two nodes like D and E. So we have to visit again left side nodes. So D. So now we are visited A, then B, then D. So D also have two childs. So then we will go to left side G. So now we are visited G. Okay, left side is over. So now we are going to right side. Why? Because this is the root of G. So G don't have children. So this root is over. Then we are visiting left side is over. Then we are going to right side. How it will be work for right side? H is the root node. So if H is the root node, then we have to check root left right. So root is H and then L is child of the particular node. So how we will get the answer for this portion? So H and L. Okay. So H and L for this portion. So this side G is there, this side HL is there. So with this root D, what we will do? DGHL. So this entire portion, what we are getting it? So we are getting this entire portion D and then GHL. Okay. So DGHL we are completed of this portion. So this node is over. Now we are going to B. So B already left side we are visited. Now we are going to right side. So what is the left side? Left side B is root. So we have to add here. So this portion, what is the answer of this portion? So here B is the root node. B is the root node. This entire portion, that is this entire portion as the left side. So next this portion will come. Then right side E is there. Okay. So what is the output of this? B D G H L E. So for this root A, left side we are completed. Okay. So now we are going to right side. So we are going to write C is the next node. So when we are visiting the C, there is right child is there. Okay. So now we are going to right side. So there is no left side. Okay. So when we are coming here, root is over C. Then we are visiting C. Then see how no left child. Then we are going to right side. Okay. So this side, when we are coming to F, what we have? Another two child is there, I and J. So how we can do it? Then root is F. First we have to visit to root F. Then we have to visit left side I. Okay. So then we are coming to right side. What is the right side? J. So J have another left side nodes. So what is the portion? This portion output. So this is J is the root, K is the left side. So J and K is output of this part. So now root node F, we visited left side I, then right side JK. So what is the output of this portion? So this entire portion, so we know that this is the output of this portion. So now we know that this is the root node. So C is there. Left node, there is no left child. Then right side only is there. Then we know that. So this is the right side values CF, I, J and K. So this is the right child. Left child we know that. Root node we know that. And right child we know that. What is the final answer? We know that here. What is the final answer? A is the root node, then left side B is there, then D, G, H, L, then left side is over. Now right side C, F, I, J, K. So this is the visiting order. Clear? Now I given the exercise for your processing. For you have to write for this binary tree. Okay. So I will give some time to work out. We will check the answer. Okay, I will give just half minute for working out. So take time to apply pre-order traversal techniques. I hope you are completed because it is very simple binary tree. So you check with your answers. Okay. So this is the answer for visiting the order. Okay. So now we are going to discuss about next technique, in-order traversal. What is in-order traversal? The in-order traversal means the first we have to visit left subtree and then root. Finally, we will visit the right subtree. This is called in-order traversal. For this, we can call this algorithm is like LNR traversal algorithm because left right side is the left left node first we have to complete, then root node, then right side. That's why we are calling LNR traversal algorithm. So I give an algorithm here. First we have to visit left side, then root, that is data, then right side till tree not equal to null. So we have to visit one by one. First left side, then left side over, then root node, then right side. So like that we can perform this operation. The same diagram we will take for verifications. So how we can do it? First, so we visit leftmost node because we are starting from left root right. Okay, first we will take leftmost node. What is the leftmost node? G is the leftmost node. First we are taking G. Then if G have any child is there, no child because it is the terminal. So G has the parent, that is root node. G have the parent D, but for this portion, this is separate subtree. Okay, so now we will discuss with this diagram. So in order traversal, what we have to do? First left node, then root node, then right node. Okay, so this is the order. So for left side, first we have to go for leftmost node. What is the leftmost node? G is the leftmost node. So left is over. First we are visiting G. Okay, so G is the first node because it is leftmost node. So then for G have one parent D. So D is the parent. Now we are visiting root node D. Okay, so D is there. This is root of G node because we are starting from G. So now we will go for right side. Okay, so what is the right side? Right side is another part is there. What is the part? H and L. So how we can perform here? Again, left root right. There is no left. Okay. For H there is no left child. Right child is there. How? What is the output of this part? So we can perform left side. There is no node. Then root H. Then L. Okay. So for this part, HL will be the answer. So for entire this subtree. So according to this subtree, what is the answer? G is the first node, D is the root node, then HL. Okay. So HL for this first portion. This is over. For according to this node, left side is over. Now we will go for root. What is the root? B. So now we will go with B. Okay. So what is the answer? Next. So we can visit the root node. B is over. So then when we are compared about this portion, okay, when we are compared about this portion, so this is the left side, this is the root, this is the right side. So left side is over, root is over. Now we are visiting E. Okay. So that is right child node. Okay. So till entire portion we are getting this answer. Now we are visiting the root node. It is a common root. Okay. So now root node is added here. Okay, we are visited root node. Now we are going to right side node. Okay, when we are going to right side, of this root, so first we are visiting C. So C is root node here. Okay, so C is root node here. What happened? C have no left child, but right child is there. So then we have to complete. After visiting C, we will go to right side. Okay, in right side we are going this portion. The F have another child. Left child node is there. So what we will do first for about this portion, we will go for left root right. So we will go for left. For when we are visiting F, what happened? We will check L, F, then right side because L is the left side, then root, then right side. J is there. So J portion is there. What is the portion? This portion output. So we know that left child and then root child. So first left child will come K, then right root will become Kj. So this entire portion, what is the outcome? This entire portion. So left side is I, left child is I, then root is F, then right child is K, J, because we are visiting in order techniques. Okay, so here we are using in order techniques. So this entire portion we are getting this answer I, F, K, J. So now C is the root. Okay, so right side node, there is no left side, so this will be joined here. So what is the entire output here? So here this C, I, F, then K, then J. So what is the final outcome? So final output is, we know that we are visiting from the leftmost node G, D, H, L, B, E, A is the root, then right side C, I, F, K, J. So I hope you are understood entirely. So there is no doubt. Okay, so now we are going to next step. So now you have the time to work out in order traversal. The same diagram I given for understanding purpose. You take half minute time to complete it. Take half minute time. Just do it. Okay, I think it is easiest one. So I hope you are completed. So check with your answer. I hope you did correctly. So now we will go to next step. So next step is, next method, that is post order traversal. What is post order traversal? First we have to visit the left node, then we will go to right node, finally we will visit the root node. So that is the post order traversal. Okay. So now you know the algorithm, same procedure, till tree not equal to null, we have to do these steps 2 to 4. So first we have to apply post order traversal. We visit the left side, the entire left side over, then we will go to right side, then entire right side is over, then we will go to root node. Okay, so single root only is there. So when we are complete the root, the traversal is over. So now we will discuss with the same diagram. Okay. So now we are discussing about this diagram. Okay. So first, what is that same post order traversal? Post order traversal, we have to visit left, right, and then root. So now we will discuss with post order traversal with the same diagram. Okay. So what is the post order? Left child first, then right child, then root. Okay. So this portion is entire left, this portion is entire right, then we will visit the A. So what we will do, first we have to go for left side. Leftmost element is G, then we will start with the G. So G, then right element of this node. Okay, this portion we have to check. What is the right element? H. When we are visiting the right, then it will be acting as a root. So for this portion, how we can do it? Left side there is no child, right side L is there. So L, then H it will become. Okay, so this portion we will get LH. Finally, for this portion, what we are getting? G, LH, then D. So same thing we will discuss with the paint. Okay. So now we will consider the same diagram for post order traversal. What is the post order? First left, then right, then root. Okay. So this is the technique we are using. So first left side, the leftmost element is G. Okay. So once we are visit the G, G is the leftmost element. Then we are going to right side. When we are coming to right side of this node, so when we are considered this node, this is the root node. D is the root node. So then right side child is H. When we are coming to H, H is the root node of L. Okay. So what will be happen? So we have to apply this portion also. So what is the outcome of this portion? So this portion is first left side, there is no left node, then right side L, then root node. So what is the output of this? L, then H. Okay. So LH will be come here. So LH over. So what is the portion of this? This portion. So this entire portion, how we will write? So this entire portion we will write like that. How we can write? So here G is the left element. G is the left element. Then we are going to right side. So right element is H, but H have subtrees. So then L is the leaf node. So first we have to write, then root. So L, then H, then finally root D. So this portion is, this is the output of this portion. So now we will consider B is the root node. So left side is over, then right side is E. Okay. So left is GLHD, right is E, then root B. So what is the outcome of this portion? So this entire portion, so how we can write it? GLHD is the left side, then right side, right child is E, then root is B. So entire left is over compared with, sorry, when we are taking root as A. Okay, so left side is over. Then right side, because it is the post order technique. So now we will go to right side. So C, when we are coming to C have right child. Okay, so right child also acting as root because it's have two child I and J. So once we are visiting the J also root node. So then we will come start from this side. Okay, so how we can do it? So this is the root node for J. So what is the outcome of this portion? So first left, right, and then root. What is the left, right, and root? So here left side K is there, then no right, then root node. So this is the outcome of this portion. So this entire portion we can take now. So what is the entire portion? This. So this portion we can consider this part. So this part F is the root. Okay, F is the root and I is the left side and Kj is the right side. So how to write it here? What is the outcome? First left side I, then right side Kj, then root F. Okay, so this is outcome of this part. Now then we go to next step. What is the next step? Here C is there. So C is the root. There is no left side. Then right side is there. So first we have to complete right side. I, K, J, F, then C. C is the root. So then left side we know, right side we know. Finally we can type root A. So how, what is the outcome of this entire diagram? So now we know that. So left side is G, L, H, D, E, B. Then right side I, K, J, F, C, then root A. Okay. So this is the outcome of post order traversal. Clear? I hope you are enjoying this presentation. So now I will give half-minute time to complete the post order traversal. I given the same diagram for identifying the difference between pre-order, in-order, post-order. Now you take half-minute time to complete it fast. Okay, good. I hope you are completed. You just check with your answer. So this is the post-order traversal output of previous diagram. So I hope you are enjoying this presentation. If you have any queries, feel free to ask me and send mail to me. Okay. So after completion of this presentation, students will be able to apply traversal methods in binary tree. Okay, so now you know 3 techniques for visiting all the nodes in the binary tree. So these are the sample questions I given for reference. They will ask like apply post order traversal to visit all the nodes with the following diagram, and then how in order traversal has worked, then how pre-order traversal will work. You have to explain with the following diagram. Thank you. If you have any queries, you ask me through mail. Okay. Thank you very much.